After launching the EV6, Kia has now revealed the all-new Concept EV9, which shows us how the next model in Kia's dedicated EV lineup will look like. And it will for sure look impressive, futuristic and very unique judging by the design of this concept. It is based on the E-GMP platform, and this model follows the Kia's new design language. On the front you will notice the vertical daytime running LEDs and digital tiger face. Concept EV9 measures 194 inches in length, 81 inches in width and 70 inches in height, and has a wheelbase of 122 inches. The all-electric SUV has a driving range of up to 300 miles. Speaking about charging, it features the ultra-fast charging technology that allows charging from 10% to 80% in only around 20 to 30 minutes. At the back, the innovative D-pillar design also creates a unique daylight opening signature. Interior is maybe even more impressive than the exterior. It has the first-class lounge look, and main star is the interactive 27-inch ultra-wide display with all the information. This concept is really impressive and shows us direction for the future. Tell me in the comments how do you like it and subscribe for more.